The people will come to their homes even say, oh, my cow needs semen, I'm going for honeymoon, we have a wedding, my children are going to school, my wife is admitted in hospital, she's giving birth. And these leaders, we are even in that cadre. We sympathize and we contribute. So we should not judge people when maybe even they are saving to help. This young man, the late majority leader, Elijah Osiemo, you look at the family, Madam Speaker, and you just wonder. The only thing I can do to the families who are affected is to pray for them, God to give them courage, God to give them love, because it is something that it is very, it's very sad. When we use the narrow route, Madam Speaker, there are so many things that happen on that road. From the animals passing by, from, of course, the borders, you just want to be careful so that you reach where you're going. Even if the border rider is on the wrong side, Madam Speaker, and you hit the border, I can tell you for free, your car will be burnt down, and nobody will question that the rider was on the wrong side. They will always say you are the driver and you have the eyes. So I stand to mourn with our good people. I border Nyamira. Our border entry is Keroka town, a good town where most young, beautiful ladies came from the ages of 1990s. And Madam Speaker, by the way, I come from that town, Keroka town. I don't think people don't know Keroka town the way we know Nyeri town, Sotiki town, Busia, Homa Bay town, Migori town. Now Nyamira borders, why I'm grieving with the people of Nyamira is because the other side, the left side, when you're coming from Nairobi is Nyamira, then the other side is Keroka. So this is the same place, same people. And now why I'm saying these stories because I want the people of Nyamira County who are watching to smile. Because they've mourned. Now it's time they look and give a smile, because sometimes that smile itself is food. Sorry to the people of Nyamira County and Honorable Irene Mayaka. Thank you for bringing up this. We stand with our good people of Nyamira County, and I can see through a text message, our governor from Kisii County has sent his condolences, and our dear Senator, Honorable Richard Onyonka. Thank you very much, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. The last one, honorable members to make comments.